sitting here now with Conor in Galway at the harbour, right? Is it the harbour? Okay.
This is the harbour.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Conor Reardon. I'm a local archaeologist and historian here in Galway City, and this is where I studied in the university here. I did my master's degree back in 2004, and I'm a local tour guide. I have a business called Galway Private Tours, and I bring groups from America and Europe around Galway City every summer.
Okay, so what is so special about Galway?
What is special about Galway, it's a very laid-back, bohemian type city. It attracts writers, you know, musicians, artists, people like that. So not as fast-going as Dublin, but nice and laid back, and that's what I like about Galway City.
In the background we see a little village.
We do. Behind us here on your left is the Claddagh village. Now the Claddagh village is famous for its ring, the Claddagh ring, which actually originated here. Now the Claddagh ring has two hands holding a heart with a crown on the top, and it was used as a wedding ring in the Claddagh village in ancient times, but now it has become a loyalty ring, because if you wear it on your left hand with the point of the heart facing inwards, you're in love, you're taken, and if you wear it on your right hand with the point of the heart outwards, you're single and available, basically.
Thank you very much, Conor.